Hi, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to change input braille in voiceover on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start! Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and find the Accessibility, then tap. Then in the Accessibility, go to Vision section, then find and tap the VoiceOver. Then in the VoiceOver, tap the Braille. Then in this part, in the Braille section, tap the Input. Then in the Input, if you want to change it to uncontracted 8-dot Braille, just tap it until there's a check mark on the side. And if you want to change it to contracted Braille, just tap also until there's also a check mark on the side. And that's it. We have successfully changed input braille and voiceover on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!